It's almost nighttime. It's actually sunset right now. I met another cat. She looks like Broken Tail, but her tail is fixed. And she's quite fat, and she's not pregnant. There she is. Come here. I just met her randomly. Oh, hold on. It's Chopao. The only thing moving right now, aside from you. Totally normal tail. Come here. Oh yeah, she hates that. Yeah. I think she's just looking for food right now. Yeah. why are you moving your tail like that? What are you planning? Huh? She thinks the camera is a human thing. And it totally is. Look! It's your pao! Frick, it's blurry. Why is it blurry? Why is it? Hold on. It's Chappao. Hold on, I'll see you back. Go to Chappao. Oh yeah, and their kitten. The thing running away. Yeah, kitten hates me. Oh, what? Why are you're following me? Wow. You guys gonna kiss? Alright, let me just sit down. Hey, you're stubborn. What the heck? Yeah, I really think she's just looking for food. There's mud there, don't... It's okay. He was just angry. Randomly. I don't want to go there. I don't want my phone to get muddy. Okay, I'm gonna go there. Maybe you just like the view here. That's pretty nice. May I pet you? No. I got scared. But I think that wraps up today's video. I met new cats. Yeah. I'll name you Angry. But I don't think that the video's gonna end. Petting montage. Hey! I'll name you Lion. You're acting like a lion. My God, I'm scared. Wasn't that terrifying? Was that terrifying? Look at me. Look at. She's literally acting like a lion. What the frick? Ah! Let's go. Hey, where you go? Okay, she's just going back to her kittens. Oh, wait, where'd you go? Oh, there. You're so lion-like. Or a tiger. Look at the way she moves her tail. Ooh, there's some lovely music there. If you even hear it, I don't know. It's jazz. You like jazz? You know what? Maybe she'll just come to me if I sit down. May I pet you? Can I pet you? There you go. Oh, you're seeing yourself. Ah! Oh my God. She thought it was another cat. What if I do that again? Don't pounce. Don't pounce on me. Stop moving your tail like that. You just keep moving her tail weirdly. No! Oh, I thought you were gonna bite me. Can I touch your nose? Hey. Hey! Oh. Act me like. Ah! Should I name her Lion or should I name her Playful? Wait, I found just more cats. I found more cats. Hey, I found more cats. I found more cats. More cat. Let's go there like a casual human person. Oh wait, I haven't met. Never mind. You're running away. Let's go back to Lion / Playful. Yay! Woo! Welcome back to Lion / Playful. Maybe I should name you that. Hi, welcome our guest Lion / Playful. What the fuck? What the heck? What the heck is wrong with you? Don't look at me like that. Wait. What are you doing now? As you can see, she keeps moving her tail weirdly. My god, the zoom-ins are blurry. I don't know where's Broken Tail. I literally don't know. She disappears like most of the day, and if she only appears like lunch or dinner or any time the food comes. I don't know what's your schedule. Shopao is always like there or just walking around anywhere. It's already getting dark. My god. Oh. Sorry, just on my screen. Oh my god, it's a frog. It's a frog. Right. What are you doing now? Stop moving your tail like that. I'm gonna go to her. Do you like mud? You know the 1.19 update is coming out. What did you start playing Minecraft? Stop freaking moving it. Stop freaking moving your tail like that. Whoa! Whoa! What the heck? Alright, one last pet before I go. Ah! Please don't bite me. Do you want to see yourself in the mirror again? Okay, let's go see yourself in the mirror again. Fuck, she doesn't notice. No, she didn't notice. Wait, Oh, there. There you go. Look, it's you. My god, it's you. Well, I'm gonna go home now.